to make a Genmoji in iOS 26 on iPhone. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the phone app on a mobile device. And once inside the phone app, simply find the contact you want to create the Genmoji for. So let me just go to my contact section first of all. Now here, let me just tap on any preferred one. So I have chosen this contact in order to change or create Genmoji for. Now once I tap on it, you will get to see the edit option available at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the edit. Then again tap on the edit option available there. Now once you do so, scroll down. As you can see, there is no Genmoji option available. Again tap on the customize option available. Scroll down. And there you can see plus icon available. Tap on it. Now you can simply create the Genmoji for that contact. Create the face size, eye size, color, hair, and the clothes for that specific person or the contact. So this is what my Genmoji looks like at the end. Let me just tap on the right icon available at the top right corner of the screen in order to see this. Now choose a selfie and tap on the done. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.